In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an SPF record in GoDaddy so your email is more likely to land in the inbox instead of the spam folder. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you've never edited DNS settings before. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where all of your domains are listed. Once you're looking at the list of domains, find the domain you want to work with. Next to that domain, look for the DNS option. Depending on your view, this might appear as a DNS button, or you may need to select the domain first and then click a DNS tab at the top of the page. Either way, your goal is to open the DNS management screen for that specific domain. On the DNS management page, you'll see a table of existing DNS records. Before you add anything new, you need to check whether an SPF record is already in place. SPF records are stored as TXT records, so scan through the list and look for a TXT record whose value starts with VSAS SPF1. That starting portion is what identifies it as an SPF configuration. If you find a TXT record that begins with VSAT SPF1, you won't be creating a new record. Instead, you'll be editing the existing one. To do that, click the pencil icon or edit button on that row. This will open the record details so you can change the value if needed. If you don't see any TXT record that starts with V as SPF1, then you're going to create a new one. Look for an option like Add or Add New Record. When the new record form appears, you'll choose the type first. Set the type to TXT. GoDaddy may show an older SPF record type, but the modern standard is to use TXT, so make sure TXT is selected. For the name field, enter the @ symbol. This applies the SPF record to your root domain, meaning it will cover email from your main domain. In the value field, paste the SPF string you want to use. This string tells other mail servers which services are allowed to send email for your domain. If you're using GoDaddy's email or Microsoft 365 through GoDaddy, the typical default SPF value is v@spf1 include secureserver.net. Or, if you're using Google Workspace, the common default is vspf1 include spf.google.com. All use the value that matches your email provider or a custom SPF value provided by your service. For TTL, you can leave it at the default setting, usually 1 hour. That's a good balance between quick updates and stability. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new or updated SPF record will be stored. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so give it a little while before testing. And that's all you need to add an SPF record in GoDaddy.